big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode. I'm gonna use this to turn this into this.
I love it when I worked hard and at the end of the day I'm tired and I open up a bottle of beer, I fill up my glass and then take that first sip. That's just a magical moment. And that's the power of beer. And why not combine that power of beer with a recipe of chicken? We're gonna use some amazing beer. I selected the best beer and we all know great beers come from the Netherlands. Not Belgium or Germany or whatever place you prefer. Real beer from the Netherlands. So what else do I love? I absolutely love the combination of smoking and frying chicken. So that's the moment where my head explodes and I start thinking, what if I put that beer inside of my smoked and fried chicken? Now that's magic. This is a perfect chicken to mix with beer. It's free range and it's full of fat. You might want to use a strong knife to cut through the bones. Once you end up with these 4/4, it's time to start working on seasoning. Starting with 1 part salt, 1/2 part paprika powder, 1/2 part curcuma powder, 1/2 part onion powder, 1/4 part garlic powder, and to finish it off, 1/8 part cinnamon powder. Now mix it up and sprinkle it on the chicken. Make sure to dust it properly, then you set it in the fridge for at least 2 hours for the flavors to blend. Let's make the perfect beer fried chicken dip sauce. 500 milliliters of sunflower oil, 2 whole eggs, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt, some fresh ground black pepper, and then use your immersion blender to turn this into a mayonnaise. Now I'm gonna chop fine some chives, add that to the mayonnaise, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of our barbecue rub. Now we're gonna mix that all up, and that's how you make the perfect beer fried chicken dipping sauce. When the chicken is ready, it's time to fire up the Napoleon grill. This is one of my absolute favorite gas grills, and let me show you how easy it is to smoke chicken on this grill. So I'm gonna turn on the 2 left burners. Then I'm gonna take a piece of smoking wood. This is beech tree and I absolutely love beech tree for smoking chicken. And I'm gonna place this on the flavorizer bars of my gas grill. And because of the flavorizer bars, it won't start burning, but it will start smoking. Because beech is a really dense tree, it's so hard that it almost doesn't catch fire. But if it does, just turn off the burners and the fire will stop. And now I'm gonna place my chicken in the right top side where we're gonna have smoke and indirect heat. I'm placing the skin side down so the skin acts like a shield and at the same time holds the juices in. That is exactly what I'm looking for. A nice hint of smoke that's gonna work its way up to my chicken, slowly smoke my chicken while it's warming up and getting ready to be fried. This is a good moment to start thinking about what you're going to use as a frying agent. You could use a plant-based oil or lard, but what I like to do is take the trimmings of a brisket and render them down in a cast iron pan until you have beautiful beef tallow. This stuff is pure magic. It has the beautiful beefy flavor and it's going to make your chicken taste very rich. When the chicken is starting to take on smoke color, it's the time that I start thinking about my breading station. However, I'm gonna use beer, so that means I gotta make it better. Starting with 400 milliliters of beer. I'm using a super amazing dark brown Dutch beer. Then I'm adding around 300 grams of all-purpose flour, followed by 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and a pinch of salt. And then your batter should look like this. But if it's not thick enough, add more flour. When the chicken hits a core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, you know it's done. And then it should have picked up a lot of smoke color and it should be crazy juicy. Look at that. And then I'm just gonna quickly dip it in, get batter on my chicken, let it drip, and then drip it in the oil. I'm running my brisket tallow at a temperature of 175 degrees Celsius. This is going to make my batter crispy and golden brown at the same time. Remember, those chicken pieces are super juicy, so they're gonna fight the batter and you need the higher temperatures. And once the chicken hits the right color, it's done. So we cut up the chicken, seasoned it, dry brined it in a barbecue rub, smoked it on a Napoleon gas grill, made a batter, made a barbecue sauce, fried it up, and there you have it, the best looking chicken in the barbecue industry. So sit back, get your beer out, dip your chicken, and enjoy the feast. I'm sorry. I do apologize for my behavior, but that's what happens when you make chicken that looks this good. All right, there we go. Oh my God.
This is amazing. This is such a big piece already. Whoa. It's still dripping out. It's been laying here for 5 minutes and what? Don't disturb me. I'm really serious now.
That literally is ridiculous. And it's kind of like the beer batter is totally different compared to the breading station. It's like no comparison. And the chicken is just so juicy.
I've never tasted something so fluffy, juicy, tender and crispy at the same time. All those years I thought I was a deep fried fan. But now I truly know what it means to have deep fried chicken. This is real deep fried chicken. And the best thing is with beer.
We're gonna just start a frying chicken channel. Only fried chicken. It's just too good. There could be 10 more ways to fry chicken. If you have a great idea to fry chicken, let me know. Maybe we'll try that next time. The dog is just went into crazy mode. No! What? You gotta feed the dog, otherwise we're gonna be in problems to do the dip.
Yeah, I think I need a new piece for that.
No, you don't.
Okay. All right, here we go.
That's good.
That's really good. I don't want to leave this place anymore.
I'm so stupid.
What?
And we only made one chicken. I only made one.
Do you have more things that you can fry right now? Just to dip it in the sauce with? Steak maybe? I don't know.
I could boil an egg, but it's not the same thing. You gotta try this recipe, and if you're gonna try this recipe, just let us know.
I'm so happy.
Comment down below.
Comment down below and I'll give your opinion about beer battered chicken. Is this something that you have to try? And if you tried it, let us know, man. Send pictures. Tag us. What?
Yeah. Just the pictures about the food, right?
Just the pictures about food.
That's right. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave now, but I want to dip. All right.
You have had plenty of chicken. People now want to see what they're gonna watch next. There's an awesome video coming up if you click here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then let us know. Give us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Big thank you to the patrons, YouTube members. The recipe is on the website, pitmasterx.com. As always, eet smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk.
And keep on grilling.
I'm sorry, I was
You gotta pay attention.